In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to create or make a text document file in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now firstly, you need to navigate at the desktop. Here, please make a right click, and in that way you would be able to open up this kind of window. Here, you need to proceed with the option called New, and the moment you've located your cursor here, you would be able to reveal the list of the option, which is folder, shortcut, Microsoft Access Database, bitmap, image, and more. And since we're dealing with the creating of a text document file, then by that we need to proceed with text document, which is next to Microsoft Publisher document. So tap on it, and in that way, it can ask you to rename it. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to make a right click and go with this rename icon, click on it, and you can rename that into whatever name that you would like. Okay, so in my case, I'll be renaming it sample. Okay, so the moment you have created a new text document, you can double tap to it, and from here, you can write or type any of the text that you would like to go with. Okay, so just type any here. Okay, and once you have typed all of the necessary or all of the important text that you would like to input here in this text document, okay, I would suggest to save that. So how we can do so, please navigate to the upper left side of that. You can see there an option called File. Click on it and scroll down and go with Saved or Saved As. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to click on Saved, and here you can proceed to the desktop and you can click on saved. So in this way, so click on yes. In this way, you would be able to save your text document. So if you would double tap to it, you would be able to see all of the text that you have the right or that you have input here in your text document file. Okay? So that's it. Simply close this window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.